Number 10, it's number 9, it's Google Trend. We watch any product that we have selected on Amazon and the stats are good there, but even we check that product on Google Trend as well. So what's the benefit to watch that product on Google Trend? Basically, I will say that Google and Amazon, they are separate search engines. They do not share their data with each other. But even we check Google just to see that whether this product is really seasonal, because Google is also providing, it's a big search engine, so we keep an eye on the data that Google is providing. If Google is saying that it is a really trendy product, so that's a bad indicator for us. The same if it's just like a trend as it was in 2022 and 2021, the mask because of COVID pandemic, it was really a big trend that time, the most hot selling product. So we check Google and we do not ignore the, what you can say, the trends of Google and the data provided by the Google. We can check it here live. Here I am on trends.google.com and we are here. So we can check that garlic peeler. I have typed it here. Now let's show in Pakistan, but I will just change the location to United States. Now let's check. Hey, the trend here, we have to check 5-year trend. Is it past 5 years, right? Oh, it's a bad indicator. Sometimes it's like just completely dead. So it's not good. The trend is not really good. So we should not ignore this product. We should not select this product because the trend is really not good. It gets sometimes, like you can see, it says hitting the bottom line. But there are, you can like maybe the garlic peeler word is famous among the Amazon buyers, but there might be any more generic word or a relevant word to garlic peeler that is being searched on Google Trend. If you find such a keyword, like maybe if I will suppose if I am searching for garlic peeler here and the trend is not good, but there is another keyword which is garlic peelers just with S, so you can see the trends change with S as well. So I mean like it's also, if the garlic peelers is also a main keyword and you search that main keyword here, and you can see a very good trend for this second main keyword. So you can take that trend as well. Like there might be a big difference between the Google searchers and the Amazon search buyers, so you can just take that as well. But anyhow, we check Google Trend and keep an eye on the Google Trends so that our product should be evergreen and we should not get out of sales in a specific time, a specific period, because we want to launch a product. Initially we should launch a product which is evergreen.